Oh my god. Oh my god. I wonder who that is. Is that the male or what? Let's check it out. Let's go out and check that new one. Let's take it in and have a look. Hi. Hello everyone. I just got this from the mail just now, as you can see. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, forgot to say who I am. I'm from Nerf gun review. I'm Roy. Yang. Yep, I'm Roy Yang. Okay, let's check it out. Whoa. Got a pair of these shirts. Wow. A Mega Magnus. It says that it's to my dad, but I don't care. I'm just going to try it out. Three bullets load. Whoa, that's cool. Guys, see this Mega Magnus? It's very cool. Okay, so I got this secret package. It's for my dad, but I don't care. I just use it. So thank you for watching Nerf gun review about this secret package, and see you next time. And hope you watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.